Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!